77777. Welcome everyone again, and I hear myself twice. Okay, right then. Thank you so much everyone for being here. I really appreciate it. We got 6 viewers in here, which is absolutely amazing. Thank you so much everyone for being here. I really appreciate it. Hello, Mr. M. Hello, AO Lifts. Thank you so much everyone for being here. I really appreciate it, as I've just said like a million times. Right, we want to work on Liftsnetwork again. I'm not sure how far Mr. Leon Theo is. Because I'm not sure if he's already in the stream. Oh yes, okay, there he is. There he is in the stream. I now just see him. And I would love it if you could send me the package that you got. Well, you can't send it to me, but maybe you can live stream your screen on Discord, so I can pick up on this live stream and I can show how it works if it's okay with you. So I would simply move this over here. And then you can do a call with you could do a call with with your screen. Oh yeah, there we go. And so you can see how it works. Right. Let's see if he can if he turns on the screen, so we can have a look. So here we are. ID 7 is apparently the administrator. Let me just quickly put this into full screen. So here we got logout.php. It's not available for some reason. This tiny little taskbar is cute. Let's go to account login. Oh, I definitely need to fix that. Test 1 2 3 4. That looks weird. We are missing the YouTube field. Where's the YouTube field gone? With the YouTube hello Happy Pizza. Where's the YouTube field gone? No, in the registering section. I mean, it's completely gone from there. Or did I never actually put it in there in first place? But I'm quite convinced I actually put it right there. That is very nice. That works absolutely perfect. That is absolutely beautiful. Right. Let's return to what we're doing right here. So I've got no idea where we currently are, I need to admit. So let's open up another instance of Google Chrome. And let's go for Liftsnetwork, regwait is a landing page if you just registered, and you need to wait for your Liftsnetwork account to be verified. Then this is what you'll get. And we got my lifts. Right, looks like this. Then we got map. Looks like oh, we still need to do that one. We still need to do that. Okay. Then we got login. I mean, it does work for me though. Then we got index, which is main page. Still need some more information on this one. We've got CMS, which we now want to do as well. Add lift form. No, not again. Why did the map jump again? Oh no. This happens so often that the map just absolutely jumps out of it. I don't know why that happens. But just look at this beautiful thing here. Account. Again, Theo was working on this one, and admin page. I'm not sure what kind of things do we need there. What do we need? User administration, registering administration, post administration, approval, probably something like this. So what we now want to do is we want to make sure that the map actually is displayed correctly, because it apparently is not, as you could just see. Map.html, where's our map gone? Map test 2. No, that's the wrong CSS. We need to go for map test 2. Margin top, margin minus top, minus 20 pixels. Actually, let's see how this works. I know it was add lift. Oh no. That is the wrong one. Z. Save it. Run skyscraper sim and see your building. And I just got it as a sound effect somewhere. Where did I put the sound effect? I actually wanted to do it as a stream next time, but I forgot to do so. So we got it right here. You couldn't hear it because I had my desktop sounds off. Let's just do it again. You still can't hear it for some reason. I don't know why that is.
And run skyscraper sim and see your building.
There we go.
And run skyscraper sim and see your building.
The infamous sentence. Run skyscraper sim and see your building. That is just a legendary sentence. So what we got right here is we wanted to have add lifts, right? Add lifts is what we are. Yes, that is the issue we have. Add lift .html. Add lift. Oh no, not add lift. We wanted to look for the map. Where's the map? I just go for map test 2. I just want to look. I just want to see how this works out. Not very well. Not very well at all. So I could best review. Okay. Okay, let's go for map test and see what's going wrong with map test. Map test. Margin top. That's the margin top. Margin top minus to 20 pixels to 30 pixels. Slowly, it's moving up. I'm probably going to remove our text because it's always in the way of something. Yeah, it's always pretty much in the way. Let's just add a 0. Admin menus, mod menus, admin mod, all the stuff that we want to have moderated. Okay, beautiful. We also got 2 likes. Might get it up to 5 at one point. I would love this to be at 5 at one point. And 7 viewers. That is perfect. Thank you much everyone for being here. I really appreciate it. And these error messages of YouTube are just pissing me off once again. I did actually refresh it. No, I didn't. That's a bit too much. Probably let's go for 170. 1700. Aye. Let's go for 800. Not 1000, but 800. Still too much. Let's go for 500. That is weird. That is super weird. Let's go for 700. Why is there such a big jump in there? 600. More like it, but it's so on the right for some reason. Minus 560. Let's do minus 560. Why is it jumping like that? That is super weird. That's not even 40 pixels. That's more than 40 pixels. I just jumped. 8. Let's do 580. 590. I don't get it. Why does it jump so much? There's no reason for it to jump. 585. Let's do it like this. I don't understand this. This is something, you know, when there's no logical explanation to any of that. These are just things that I hate. Oh no. Let's go for 2. Probably now just does a big jump again. Not even that. Now if I do that, it does a big jump. Why? Someone explain this to me. Margin bottom maybe. Margin bottom 500 pixels. Now the page is probably just getting larger by the number I enter. It doesn't push it up. I don't know what the fuck is going on here. And why does it jump? Why does it jump? I just changed a single pixel and it completely jumps. Why can't those fucking elements overlap themselves? You know, there's a point again. I'm getting really angry at because there's like no logical explanation to it. These are like the things I really hate. Do something, you stupid programming language. Margin left. Yeah, I'm definitely going to replace it with Bootstrap at some point. It's definitely going to be replaced with Bootstrap at some point. But I wouldn't be able to do it now because no, definitely not. But there's like no explanation to it. One goddamn pixel. I just want to scream, and I'm doing it. You don't do anything. Fuck off. Why does when changing one pixel, why does an HTML element jump when changing one pixel? Let's CSS rather. It's not Ajax. I don't even have Ajax on this one. There's also no third-party widget on this site. No, there's nothing like this. There's no reason for this motherfucker to jump. There's no reason, at least I don't see it. Like, why is this very pixel so important to everything? I don't get it. Let's do it, fix that. Probably now it's even going worse. Now, if I change this to that, it's going down 450 pixels. I mean, I'm not changing to Bootstrap in the next year, probably. Will take some time until... I mean, I don't even know if people will use Liftsnetwork at all. You know, now's the issue, it's fixed, and I don't know. Position relative items jump. What is done, by the way? Sure, yeah, of course it's stupid. Okay, then we want to work on CMS. With these lovely images of errors. And guess what? I did another round of me collecting trash today. I found like 7 kilos of trash. I filmed it all, and I actually found bags of lorry drivers' poo, and a bottle of rancid old, like, stale milk. It was so disgusting, and it went like all over the claw I had in my hand. It was disgusting. So the claw ended up in the garbage as well at the end of the day, because it was full of this rancid milk. Ugh, disgusting. So what we now want to get is we want to get this file on brackets. So we got okay, at least we got well, you got at least we got one person or 2 people with me included that would use Liftsnetwork, which is beautiful. Why did we need to do that? You found lorry driver's poo, because it also could be dog poo, but you know, you're fucking cunt, Leon Theo. I will no. I mean, there's always something to get rid of ads, and but that isn't. You know, I need to host the motherfucking site. You know, ad blocker. No, we're not getting this one. But what about a Liftsnetwork premium membership where you can see exclusive premium lifts for a small fee of $10.99 per month or something? That would be a nice business idea. Idea. Right, CMS is where? I wouldn't pay that. Of course you would. Because it's a lovely community project, and we all want to support that one. We now see moo, cow, diarrhea, tasting club. I mean, this is the best thing you could ever spend your money on. It's better than any Apple product. It's way more sustainable. Beautiful. Just look at this beautiful image selection. You can put your text down here. Let's do CMS, where we gone? On food, I never spend any money on food because it's always so quickly gone, and so I don't really bother spending anything on food. Alright, let's do Mo by at Trezzo CBS. By at test user by. Yeah, it's the same for me, Leonthea. It's the exact same for me. Percentage. But if I want to consume excessive amounts of sweets, I would need to buy them myself, and I can't bother with this because they are always gone within like 10 minutes, and it's not really worth it. So I'll rather spend it on something I have for a bit longer. Now that we got CMS done, yeah, I mean, I sometimes also go to a place where lots of food is. That's called Real, or Real as you would call it in Germany. And there's like shelves full of food, and this magically falls into our shopping cart, and then magically goes into a and it magically goes into our cupboards, and probably it's kind of the same. And it just got the idea that if I actually got a business, if I actually have a registered business, I could actually claim a Metro card. Ooh, shopping at Metro, that is always the best. That is the very best. It's like this wholesale place. In case anyone from abroad doesn't know it, who doesn't live in Germany and who doesn't have Metro, I guess Metro is just Germany. That is what Metro probably looks from the inside. Nope. Metro. That's their logo, and they have those big ass stores with, yeah, basically Tesco Metro. Is that this? Oh, then it's probably the same. I mean, Metro is like the mother. I don't know what you call this. Like the probably Tesco Metro is a division of it, I guess, because I know Real is a division of Metro. Just look. Tesco Metro. No, that's something different. Metro. That's something completely different. And let me just show you something really weird. Let me just go on YouTube and show you something. youtube.com, and there was like that is such a weird thing. I still don't believe this actually happened. Oh yes, there we go. So here we got this. Just look at this. Walmart Germany now 20 years on. So to anyone who doesn't know, we used to have Walmart in Germany till 2006, when they basically got kicked out of our country. And just guess what? This is the Real that I always go to when doing my shopping. This is the very store that I always go to when doing my shopping. Believe it or not, this is the one. This is the one in Mainz, and this person claims that it used to be Walmart, but nope, it always was a Real basically, and before that it used to be a Massa, but it was just for a few years before Massa gave it over to Metro, who then made it into a Real. So he walks through this store. It's a really big store. So if you want to have a look at what the store I always visit and I always do my shopping at looks like, feel free to check out this video.
They do still like a lot of the tins.
10 September, so it's a pretty new video. And now the weirdest thing about this, about all of that, is that this video won't even continue. That person films random people in the aisles, which is not good. But this is just this really, just look at how big it is. It's like twice the size of what we can see right now. So it's those Real stores are just I guess it's probably one of the largest in Germany. Might be the largest. I'm not sure. But anyways, this person commented there that it was a Massa before that. And then this person came along. Let me just see where he commented. Because he commented on one of my videos. Where is this gone? Oh yes. This person just, look, this person is the uploader of this video. And then, but this is probably the biggest Real I know. Or probably the biggest Real in Germany. I take it you know of the Benno channel. This is a random Brit who comes to Germany, visits a Real, which coincidentally is like 5 minutes from my house, and comments on my videos after I comment on his videos that he thinks that he assumes that I know of Benno. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I mean, what are the odds? That is just unbelievable. What are the odds that a person does a video about a supermarket that's 5 minutes from my house, uploads it to YouTube, then I comment on it because there's some wrong information. I just commented for this very purpose to show that it never was a Walmart. And this very British person goes ahead, comments on our video and asks me if I know about Benno. That is, I don't get it. That is like that's like 1 in a million. It's like 1 in a million chance. Now let's have a look at his subscriptions, and down there we can also see Benno at some point. Where's Benno gone? Wasn't Benno? Where's Benno gone? He'll subscribe to me. But he's also subscribed to Benno. I don't even know where that is. I mean, yeah, I know, but you yourself are interested in lifts and I didn't, and you know it's just the weirdest thing that this person doesn't do a thing with lifts on YouTube, and then I just get his attention because he walks through my supermarket. He's even subscribed to Dope or Nope. I don't believe it. And then actually things that I know of Bennett, you know, that is the weirdest thing. That is even weirder than you doing PHP for me. Right. Let's go and do Bootstrap. I don't know how to work with Bootstrap. Create new design. What shall we take? Admin panel probably. Landing page, beautiful. Admin panel. Let's call it admin panel. No, I got declined. I bought it from on the Bootstrap site because I got rejected on school and like this school license thing from GitHub. Right. Actually uploaded my oh well. Now probably got Bootstrap forever. What do we have? Features below, features clean, features box, features clean. Admin panel. I just completely done a. No, I didn't want this to happen. I just wanted to have an admin panel. Right, beautiful. So, how does this even work? So apparently they're working with Font Awesome, I guess. How can I create a new page? I've never worked with Bootstrap, so how can I create a new page? There, maybe are there index. No. How can I create a new page? I just Google it. Is it new page and file really? Nope, that's not what we're looking for. Oh well. Or how now? I mean, how can I connect one of those links? Maybe. Oh. So what do we need again? Block, add block. Might want to add this to Liftsnetwork. Because I don't earn anything and I need this money somehow to run it. Add, delete. So we need admin, mod, menu, and is it like some line to put there? Checkbox with label. That's very interesting. It's very, very nice and very interesting. So we got Liftsnetwork AP. And we've got to get the Liftsnetwork logo. Nope. How am I going to change this one? Oh, it's a Font Awesome thing. It's a Font Awesome. So we have Font Awesome in here, which is beautiful. Is it something like lifts? Elevator. Arrow. We do have some arrows right here, so let's go for up, down, arrow. Arrow. And why is it Navo? Why isn't it not perfectly in place? I don't know. I don't know why that is. Oh well, never mind. Then maybe we can get this background. Body maybe. Background of K. Okay, let's do this. And does anything change? Nope. Doesn't look like this. How can I can I change this somehow? Select. Officially, it should be. Yeah, I guess because I'm so bad at HTML. I almost think that's going to be more responsive, because that might be the reason Liftsnetwork might change to Bootstrap at one point, but definitely not right now. Definitely not right now. Flip canvas. I don't know how it's done. How to change the fucking color? Reset. Font. Add font. Gill. Sun. No, they don't have Gilsons. Oh, that is stupid. Dashboard. Then we got a something that's called moderation tools, and something that's called administration tools. Right. I don't know how to do any of that. Nav item, body, div. I just don't know how do I edit this icon. How am I gonna change a motherfucker? I don't know. Oh yeah, what's that down here? That's weird. That's just weird, very weird. JavaScript. Like, how am I gonna change this? It's probably the most simple thing and basic thing you could ever do, and I fell so hard at it. Fuck my ass. Oh, I just need to double press it. That's clever. House damage. Let's take house damage. Moderation tools would be it's also a way to do like sub menus. I don't know. Moderation tools. How about this? Is there something I could tie? There we go. Just talking about tie. Let me just show you something. That one is so good. Just look at her laughing. Sorry, I was completely eaten up by a shredder. Right, moderation and administration tools. Then dashboard. We maybe want to do something like something like a post thing, maybe. Posts and user. Maybe something like and this would be for the users and for the comments approval or changes approval, and we need to copy the entire thing. Can't copy that one. Why can't we copy it? You're messing it up. And what else do we need? I don't know. It was just something I wanted to add as well. Is there chat coming through? Because if there is, I can't see it. No, there's no chat at the moment. You are the only person that says anything at the moment. I just completely forgot again what I wanted to put there. It was a very nice Liftsnetwork feature, but I forgot about it. It was something so trivial and I completely forgot about it. Oh my goodness. I mean, it definitely wasn't users to be verified. It wasn't changes to be verified or lifts to be verified. Nope, not numbers of users. It was also something. I forgot it. I forgot it. I'm Mercury in my head. I'm a very forgetting person. Reports, of course, reports. Flag. Fab font awesome flag. Let's do that one. That's going to be the report icon. How about changing this to add to operator? What stuff up there? You know, just they're just so crappy. Now we want to have some stunning stats. We're going to have views. Last hours. Users. Yeah, no, these are going to be very depressing. I mean, it's not gonna be like 1,500 or something at the start. It's probably gonna be like 20 or something. But I mean, given how Liftsnetwork, but I didn't really put that much like Liftsnetwork skyscraper sim, and how comparingly little effort I actually put in that, it actually got some decent stats. Like there's always someone online. Just look at how many people are online right now, and most online today 14, most online ever 43, and it's just a crappy little forum I made up and just designed some icons, designed some plugins, and that's basically it. Made the categories a lot better, but that's all about this. And like Liftsnetwork, I mean, it could get at least like 10,000 members, maybe. I mean, that's the absolute minimum. Sarcasm intended. Then we also need views last. That's stupid. Users. That's also not views. It's rather visits. And then this is going to be oh, I guess we're not going to reach 100,000 users at any point. That's not going to happen. Visits last hour. Lifts, or let's just call it locations. My phone is ringing. My phone is ringing. Where is my phone? My phone just turned off once again. Nothing of any of that. Right, it would be so funny of saying that, yeah, no, that would never happen, because I mean, that wouldn't even be humanly possible for us to accomplish all of those, like moderation and all of that stuff. That wouldn't work. The website would go out of service. It would definitely not work. Let's give it let's say 250. That's like, do you have a clock? I can maybe clock. Beautiful. Time, is there something like this? Hour. Let's take this. Hourglass, yeah. Yeah, pending what table would fill up. Oh yeah. I would just probably mass approve everything. 14 users. Oh, nope. We just want to get rid of this part. No. We want to get... Oh, it's a sort of a table. It's a div. Let's copy the div and move it into here. Preferably lower than this, maybe like here. Oh, come on, how can I mess up with Bootstrap? No, then people would get angry. I want to get rid of that one. I want to put that below. B-E-L-O-W. Below. Oh, come on, are you stupid, you fucking Bootstrap editor? I want to have it below the motherfucking... goddamn Who thought it would be a good idea to do something like that? Motherfucking fly. Had a self-retweeting tweet. That's interesting. I just do it like this. If it doesn't want anything else, then I'm going to do it like this. 150 users. That would be some quite weak numbers then. Locations 18. Okay. User, not size, a user. Sanitize user input. Locations would be building, maybe. Oh, just look at how beautiful and modern this looks. I would never be able to do this in normal programming. I might actually change over to Bootstrap way earlier. How about this, Lee and Theo? Wouldn't that be a great idea? I mean, like the inputs could stay the same, the class could stay the same. No, I'm not changing to Bootstrap like this second. No, 100% not. I mean, I would have just wasted all of my effort and time, but it's not happening. At least not right now. And we got a nice graph which shows users in the past month. User amount the past 7 days. No, I just can't. I just don't see myself doing it. No, it would just been so much effort down the drain. But it would definitely make it a lot easier to do. It would just make it so much better. Oh no! No! I just don't want. I don't want Leon Theo to do all of that again. Oh no! I just do it. Do it now. Lick it good. Lick this just like you should. Like, seriously, am I going to do this? I don't know. Am I going to do this? Let me just quickly do a straw poll. It's everyone. Do you better like crappy Liftsnetwork design like this with things going crazily everywhere, things looking shit, or would you like a perfectly looking Liftsnetwork? Let's just do straw poll. That's a wrong straw poll. We want straw poll.me. Bootstrap or hand coded? Hand coded bootstrap. Create poll. Shit. Copy it. Paste it. Boom. Now, please vote on the poll. Anyone votes on it? Bootstrap. I got already 2 votes. I got already 2 votes on Bootstrap. Oh, we got a vote on hand coded. Interesting. Oh, look at that. That is my color scheme. That is my color scheme right here. You know what? I'm gonna go for Bootstrap as well. Am I? I'm gonna go for Bootstrap, I guess. That's such a hard decision. Bootstrap. Let's just do entire Liftsnetwork all over again, I guess. Probably was like the worst decision. Anyways, let's do the Bootstrap then. And we can do we also got to have a different chart in here, which is going to be latest users. I know. What do you want to do? Yes. Always. Let's just give Leon Theo more credit for his 9,500 chars on. Yes, because I can't provide quality. I can't. I'm too bad for it. What else can we do with that one? Yeah, no, it's intrinsic to CVS colors. That's the best thing about it. That's actually a really nice feature of it. But at the same time, what we need to do, we need to adapt it to Intrinsic CVS Elevator's colors. So have it like a dark theme. Is actually something on their Bootstrap admin panel dark is something like this. Ooh, that's beautiful. I'm definitely going for Bootstrap. That is just an orgasm. Just look at this. That is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, just look at this. I don't believe it, just look at how beautiful they look. I just want to cry. I just want to cry because of joy. Oh, yeah. I kind of just want to cry out of joy. Let me tell you that. Which one am I going to go for? Oh dear, that's... Oh, that is so beautiful. Just look at those. Just look at those. That's beautiful. Now I would spell beautiful, but I'm too lazy to do so. So I guess just look at this one. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Oh, it's a it's something to buy. Is there anything? It's actually free. I guess we need to add free. Let's go for those ones. Yeah, no, I do have brain damage because, you know, all of that mercury. There's lots of brain damage going on. That looks nice. Right, let's just go ahead. Yeah, I mean, you said I should do it, so I did it, I guess. Let's just do a... Oh, that is beautiful. I mean, just look at this. Just look at this. I don't believe it. I guess users themselves are going to look then a bit different. I mean, there's lots of brain damage involved, but move this away. Sure is 124 gmail.com. gmail.com. How can I even import anything? I don't even know that. Bootstrap. Download it and okay, now I've got a zip. Because I knew where you would change it. That is... you are a very observant person. How can I even import anything? BS design. It needs to be a BS design. Import. How can I import an entire page thing? I don't know. I don't know. How do I maybe there's something about this in the README. I'm bad at everything. How to import zip into Bootstrap. Is there something like that? Final website. Okay. Oh, you need to do it all. Oh. Right. Still fails. Yes. Typically me. Typically me. Typically. Very typically me. Let's go for I don't even know where to start with. There's like so many things to import. How do you import this entire thing? How about just import everything? Like this? No, don't do anything. Save it. AP. Yeah, probably. How am I going to import everything? I don't know. Of course, I extract it when I'm complete. Why has it gone down so much? Yes, and that is probably the main reason behind it, because this needs to work. This absolutely needs to work on mobile, as you should go through your city and when you're looking for lifts with Liftsnetwork at your hand. So that would be important. Let's try importing the entire folder. I don't even know if that's possible. What did just happen? 16 HTML. You can see them in this design panel. Where's the design panel? Probably this one right here, is it? It's not. Where's the design panel gone? Let's restart the entire thing. Close. Bootstrap. Yes. No, I didn't want to open it in the first place. Open existing. Like how? Let me just look up .bs. Let's look up Bootstrap. Can't see this because on my other monitor. Bootstrap. How to import template. It's a very badly designed program apparently. So maybe after all I'm doing it all from scratch. Just open that one. Open the motherfucker. Let's just see if it can change the color. It doesn't change it. Save it. Preview. Okay. Enable it. Okay. I guess your inspiration is more off-putting than it's actually anything else. I'm sorry. Alright, enjoy your meal. Oh, that is beautiful. But how am I going to change the colour? You know, it won't even change. Why does it not change? RGB, transparent. Let's use red, but it doesn't change anything. How am I going to change something if it doesn't work? Oh, come on! Change the color. I'm now changing. Oh, probably it's primary and secondary. It's a primary and secondary. I was on secondary all the time. I am officially stupid. But at least I worked it out myself. Oh dear. Just look at these beautiful colors. Oh dear. But that one does not work. Like, what is this entire thing called? Where's this blue coming from? Select. I've selected it. It's called navbar. Div maybe. Navbar brand. Like, where's this blue coming from? Navbar. Red, not doing anything. Control Z, Z, Z. No, that's different. No, it's not primary and secondary. What? Me googling something probably completely easy again. Change color inboot strap navbar. There we go. How about heading to the actual page? Where are they saved? Open. Bootstrap. H bootstrap. Let's go there. H bootstrap. There we got index.html assets. CSS. Edit that one. Maybe let's open it up in brackets. Where's it gone? Oh, there we are. Oh, that is horrible, 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 horrible. I don't know how to edit the colors. That's good. Why doesn't the color change? Let's see, can I change the color of that button? Probably not. Can I change the color of this part right here? I can. Okay, let's go for orange. Beautiful. Look at how ugly it's already starts to look. That is just beautiful. Heading. How can I change the color of the font? How do I change the color of the font? Bootstrap change font color. Leo and Theo, could you please shut up? I'm gonna get rid of that chat altogether. Motivational. Let's look at a motivational kitty then. Motivational kitty. Oh, there we go. Just look at this motivational photo. Wait, I mean, how to edit the goddamn color? It can't be that hard. Get rid of that. How to change font color? I don't want to change it in CSS. I want to change it in the editor. Bootstrap Studio. Where? There's no themes option. There is no themes option, Mr. Hackwood. There is no themes option. There's no option. Text option. Maybe here. Color. Let's go for white. Good. Let's change their appearance. Div. I'm completely lost. Let's change this to that grey. 71, 71, 71. No, it needs to be a bit brighter. What are the colours of Liftsnetwork again? Brackets. Oh, not this one again. Default.css. Free. Now that one, change this one as well. Change this one as well. And not that one, but rather this one. Change it to. Oh, Leon Theo, there you go with your motivational sentences again. Have this one and free. Even though it didn't do anything, which is not good. Control Z. There we go. That's one Z too much. Oh, fuck off. Stupid bootstrap. But just look at how beautiful that looks. Now we got this. Let's change it. Nope. There's a nav bar and a still class nav bar. Body maybe body. Like what is this part called? Oh, there we go. Let's get the text. Options, color. Beautiful. Color. Orange. What is the yellowish thing? Column. How can I select this column right here? No, that card. No. Is there somewhere to zoom into things? Is there a way to zoom into things? That should be the card. Default. Default. Flexbox, which is what is a flexbox? It's like we're playing getting over it. Yes, pretty much. That is the most embarrassing stream. That's even more embarrassing than the first one. How can I change this part? I trashed it. Of course, I trashed it. Is there not a way to zoom in? View. Zoom in. There we go. The card. No, I'm not. I don't want to change this one. I want to change this blue thing there. Maybe this. Maybe it's something with This one. Oh, that looks absolutely exquisite. Yeah, flex type of cars. Oh, there we go. Is this? I can't even edit it. New style sheet. Ooh, I did it! Yes, let's first do the admin panel. My goodness me. Orange. Let's go for. Let's look at this beautiful orange. Want to copy this orange, of course. Move to style sheet. They would not be able to just copy everything. It would have not allowed you to change. Oh, okay. That's good then. The blue copy to untitled CSS. Doesn't jump there anymore. Doesn't particularly do anything. Why doesn't it want to go for this one? I mean, this all works, but locations doesn't work. I can't select it. Why can't I select it? Select the motherfucker! Okay, this one doesn't want to be changed apparently. Save it. Run skyscraper sim and see other building. Oh, just look at how shit it looks. I want to change this one as well. This top is not the shadow, it's probably this. Let's copy to untitled. Wherever it's gone, there we go. Let's go for dark. God, I'll just look at how this looks. That's beautiful. That one will get orange. Let's give this one another try. But this one still doesn't want to be changed. Select the card. I can't select the card for some reason. Column. Card. Can't select card. Bootstrap. Can't select card. obviously there's nothing useful out there because it's probably such a stupid little problem no one ever has. Where's my live streaming gone? There. Yes, let's just see how you can resize it. Oh, just look at this. Oh, just look at this. That's beautiful. Selected an overview. Where's the overview gone? Can't. Preview it again. Beautiful. Now we're going to get those charts. Why would you buy an iPhone that doesn't even have a menu button, like a proper menu button? Those are the colors there, the default colors. It's all way too reddish. It's so red. Way too reddish for Liftsnetwork. Let's just see what color Liftsnetwork actually has. Completely. H Liftsnetwork. Let's go for index. It's whatever color. Where is this color? Orange red, right? No, dark orange. Dark orange. Let's see if I can work with dark orange. It does work with dark orange. That's perfect. Let's just change it all back to dark orange. Dark orange. Guess we can leave those. Let's change that one to dark orange as well. Looks better. What else does our admin panel need? Well, first we want to zoom it out. Probably that's what we need. It's going to go a bit blackish. That's some completely different color. There we go. Let's try getting the almost exact same color. That's fair enough. It's going to be using Triller colors again. Of course, it's going to be using Triller colors, and it's fading into blue. Okay, that is nice. No, it should fade into orange. Dark orange. That looks shit. It's not going to fade anyway. Let's just change it to black. It's changing to black. Okay. Then those option Maybe we can give those items some color. Can we change this to that? Nope. Let's add this to untitled, and see if we can edit anything with this. And yes, we can. These are going to become blue. What was this? A deep sky blue. Now let's save it. This looks like at least 20 times better already. Of course it does, because I'm shit. And Bootstrap is just good. Let's reload the entire thing. That is just like if it wasn't for the white right here, that's just orgasmic. Just look at this. Just look at this beautiful admin panel. You just would love to be an admin for Liftsnetwork when seeing this. I just need to figure out how to move this one over here. Is there maybe something like how to move it? I don't know. I can blur it. Look at that. I can blur it. Brightness. It's really bright. Contrast. Grayscale. Hue. Right. Doesn't really do anything. Let's change those. Let's change this part right here. Copy to untitled CSS and nope, that is not what we're looking for. Card body. There we go. Let's also become black, but darker. Okay, perfect. 2A, 2A, 2A. Just look how beautiful this is. Oh, that's so beautiful. 2A, 2A, 2A. And give this a dark orange. And this guess azure. Nope. Transparent. Text color. Options. White. Save the entire thing. Run skyscraper sim and see your building. You know, that's what I'm trying to work with the Liftsnetwork. Just look at how beautiful Liftsnetwork is. Yeah, I know, because I don't have it on my stream deck right now, but here it is once again.
And run skyscraper sim and see your building.
And see your building. Right, now that we got this beautiful menu done, how about doing a normal Lifts? We still need to get Liftsnetwork logo. Can't we just replace this with an image? How about deleting it altogether? Image, move an image right here. How can I choose what is supposed to go in there? Mr. Google, help me please. Bootstrap. Define image. Or choose image. I don't want image picker, I just want to have image. Do the login. Okay, I'm doing login next. Well, first need to get the logo. Oh, that's how you do it. Let's go for H. Liftsnetwork. Assets. Liftsnetwork. Now it's way too big. How can I change its size? How can I change its size? Probably here. 200 pixels. That looks beautiful. Save it. Run skyscraper sim.
And run skyscraper sim and see your building.
That is beautiful. Just look at this. That's exactly the way I wanted this admin panel to look. See you later. Have a pizza. So let's do the accounts. No, the login page. Don't even know how I want to format it. So login is a special page. Login is a very special page because with login, let's open up a new one. What shall we take? I mean, empty. It's going to be. When we use an empty, it's going to be as bad as my other ones. But if you want to log in, maybe. Wait. Just a. Yeah, that would be an idea. Just a quick question. Could you? Would it be possible for you to change those things depending on if you are logged in or if you're an admin? Could you change those? Would that be possible for you? Okay, beautiful. So then I guess we're going to do everything basically as an admin panel. Everything will be an admin panel, but depending on what rank you are, it's just going to show up. Let's rename this to admin dashboard. And then it just shows lifts, my lifts, discover, and all of those things on this list. And yeah, that's a great idea. I think so too. So can we just duplicate it? Beautiful. Can we rename it somehow? we can, let's save it as login. Boom. Get rid of this, get rid of that. Get the icon home. Then call that home. I guess we can delete this. Delete that. You can delete this as well because you can't get notification at this stage. These are going to show up if you are. No, wait. Let's just get that back. If you are logged in, so login or register to Liftsnetwork. Right, we can delete all of those, I guess. Can I just delete the entire thing? Yes, that actually did the trick. Online, what is this? CSS image slider. Oh, we need that. Oh! Login page. We actually, I'm sorry for the coughing. We actually have a login page. Ooh. Oh, just look at this. Look at this. Anyways, let's use our own one. Why is this all gone on this side? Boom. Studio. Why is it behaving like this? It used to be different, right? I don't get it. Let's do text. Is there something like text? Text. Heading. Login to login or register to Liftsnetwork. Of course, the full stop at the end still has to remain the same. Let's copy that part because we want to change the color of the text. Oh shit, it's a new style sheet now. Anyways, oh no, that's what it does. Text options. Look and feel, text options. Color. Danger warning, there we go. Let's move this a bit, like can't even move it. And then we need this a nice little box. Nope, we need studio, that's what we want. UI boxed. Is there something like a div? Containers. There we are. Panel maybe. Let's see what panel does. How about Nope. Just undo everything. Form. Containers. Right, that's this part that changes. I guess now I've got to put in things. Form. Oh fuck! How am I gonna put an input? Maybe like this. Oh, there we go. We need a label as well. How can I move it somehow? Oh, you can't. You can't move it. Oh, that's weird. Not put input in form. What? What? Say that again. I don't understand it. We're trying to tell me. Field label and then text input, and it would be like this. Nope, that would be wrong. We would need it like this. It won't. How much? Like this? Yeah. No. Put inputs in the form box. Oh, inputs in the form box. Okay. So it sends off the entire thing after it. We've got a text input. We've got another text input. Is it not in the form box anymore? I don't know, because it's no longer that big. Is it in the form box? I don't know. Where are those things on Liftsnetwork? Login. Username, password, confirm password, email, YouTube URL, country. Let's move that over to the other monitor. Leave YouTube URL out, please. Oh, you can even have a URL input. No, we need it to verify users. We need the YouTube URL. I guess, at least. I guess. Now I still struggle. Is that in the same? See, it's no longer inside of the it's no longer inside of it. Yeah, still it would be a bit too much effort. No, let's just leave it out. So you've got form and then input class. Should be that one. Well, that. How am I going to get this into that one? That is a parent. Well, here This other thing is apparent. Deleted. So I'm just gonna go ahead and. Nope. What did I just do? Duplicated. 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 Margin, right, let's do 50. Um, 500 pixels. There we go. Margin left. 50 pixels. Margin top, 50 pixels. Margin left, 100 pixels probably it's now. Yep, it's too much effort, so no one would raise a star. That was a moment I knew I fucked up. 150. Let's go for 400. Let's go for 300. Okay, let's just see how this works. And oh dear, it's already starting to look like my old website. Let's just look how this would look on a. Let's just see how it would look on a. No, why does it? No, come on, come on, come on. No, I can't fix that. Why does it do that? Come on, please tell me, why does it do this? Why? Why? Tell me. You stupid bootstrap. Where's my other thing gone? Where's the AP gone? There it is. There we go. Let's go into preview. Now, let's make that smaller. And this faces the same issue. I know it is because of a Liftsnetwork logo that is too large. Oh, it's the logo that's too large. Is there some way to collapse it? Maybe we should do a light version where just the LN logo thing. Maybe this is the way. At least I thought I would. At least I thought I would. At least I thought I would be able to do it, but now probably I would have realized that very quickly that I wouldn't be able to do it. I said I would need to hire a developer. That's what I said. I like how Leon Thea always does a little roast within every sentence he says. Those still need to be a bit of another color because they way too. You can't see them. You can't see those digits. Let's change this. The text, let's change it to not semi-white but white. This text, change it to white. This text, change it to white. This text, change it to white. still no reason to roast for someone, but I can cope with it. Okay, let's go ahead and save that one. Maybe is there something? Bootstrap alternate logo. I'm not looking for an alternative for Bootstrap. I'm looking for something to change the entire logo with. It doesn't show it when it's collapsed. I don't know how to do it. Probably something for that's probably something fully on Theo to do that, because that's a JavaScript thing probably going on. I just trashed this button. I just touched it and it just literally broke. Right, let's go back to the login page. That's something fully on Theo to do. I'm not doing it. So which fields do we have? We got username. Is that one? And we got password. That one. Confirm password. Is that one? Then of course we need to change this. Now the real question is how we're going to get this one in. Email input right in here in this form. Is it still in the form? It is. So it is in there. Let us add some labels next to that. And probably now from where I'll be doing things, that was probably the responsiveness will be going down the hill, like drastically. Field label, maybe like here. Nope. Field label, let's try it again. Select that one maybe. Nope, not text word, but field label. Why does it go up right there? Come on, field label. Are you stupid, Bootstrap, or am I just stupid to use it? Motherfucking piece of shit. Bootstrap. Input box label. Probably we just need to have it on top of it. Probably it's the only way to do it, and I'm now completely lost it. Just me casually talking to myself. Right, let's change the label to user name, and change text to, what is it on actual Liftsnetwork account? It's blue. Let's go for blue. Deep sky blue. Well, I can't change it. Body color, nope. Muted, nope. Light, no. Default. Like, is it that thing right here? How can I change this? let's get it to white and change again. Where is a white for the text? Untitled one CSS. Probably not. Now I'm just breaking every white text there is. What are you doing? I'm trying to get the text. I'm trying to get the text to be in a different color. I'm trying to get it to deep sky blue. Why is this button right here? Ooh, didn't realize it actually was there. Oh hell no, don't tell me this was there the entire time. Oh hell no. Oh no, I just didn't even realize it was there. No, we are using something like that. Can we use something like this? Let me just see how this would look. Can we work with something like this? Can we work with something like this? Leon Theo. Like that looks way better. That looks just so way better. We could probably remove that because of the APIs that we don't have. But that something like this would definitely definitely be a lot better. No, I just closed it. Yes, we can. Fuck off. So let's delete all of that again. That is a beautiful dog we got right here. I guess we want to change those. Now you got a cat. Why do you have a cat now? I pressed the wrong button. So can we remove that part right here? Yes, we can. No, I can. I myself can do it. How am I going to get rid of that row? By clicking this. Can you also do it? But it chose login instead of register. Or should I just create another page for login? Forgot password. Oh dear. Login. Okay, that's what we can dynamically change it. How can I? It's called. First name is called username. Last name is going to be not this. It's going to be gone. This one's going to go. Why are they all just forward size? Large. Delete the column. How can I small? Okay, let's just keep it like this, I guess. Copy this one. There's a placeholder in here. Nope. It's painful. It's extremely painful. Move this one down a bit. No, I'll just move it up. probably look and feel. Margin bottom 5 pixels. 10. No. 10 pixels. Looks way better, even though the other ones are probably 15 pixels. Perfect. Now let's get this to country. 5 pixels, of course, 5 pixels. Country. Pixels. I mean, pixels sounds weird. Register account. Maybe want to change the label of that one. Background color is going to be deep sky blue. That's not deep sky blue, is it? It is deep sky blue. I don't believe it. And the text is deep sky blue. I don't believe that text is actually deep sky blue. No, the text is not. Where's my text gone? Don't call my hand coded programming shit. Don't call it shit, please. Why is it gone? Reset all. Let's change the text. I mean, why can't I change the text though? Might want to do this in directly in here. Color font. Oh! That's what's going on. Of course, because it's oh no! Dear. White. Change this right here to deep sky blue. Options. That was look and feel right. Still won't do anything, but let's change this to deep sky blue. Beautiful. That one. Can we change anything about this? Background color. Why can I never change this? Can you actually do Bootstrap Cloud Sync? Cloud. Publish. Probably. Looks like it. Now, we don't want it to be a dog. We want it to be a picture of a lift shaft. Just look for google.com picture of lift shaft. Pictures. That's an impressive picture. Let's get the picture address. Beautiful. Probably that's something for another. That's something for another day. Choosing the right pictures. I'll eventually replace it with eventually replace it with my own pictures. So let's give this a try. Save it. Now looks like this. Not bad. Might change the margin a bit. That's something for the first lawyer letter. Of course, I'm going to. It's not going online. We first need to replace it with my own picture. Then I first need to find a picture of where I took a picture of a lift shaft. So this was margin left 50 pixels. That is the wrong 50 pixels. 0 pixels. This entire thing. How can I not? Haven't. Margin left. Let's do pixeled. 50 pixels. Nope, that's not what I'm looking for. Let's go select parent. That's still not what we're looking for. There we go. Let's go for 50 and for 50 pixels. 50 pixels each. Let's look on preview. That looks beautiful. We still want to maybe get the text a bit more into the middle. Doesn't do anything, of course. Create an account. What a beautiful website. So margin left would be 50 pixels. Guess what? Beautiful. Let's resize it. Beautiful. Oh, that is beautiful. What else should we do? Account. How about account? Or do you need anything else on this website, Leon Theo? On this website, Leon Theo. Okay. What shall we do now? Probably users. Probably user accounts. Copy this one. How can we copy this one again? Right. Duplicate. Save it as account. Of course, we can delete all of that. Delete this. I guess we can leave this like that. Then choose something on Digsword. Probably probably something for roasting me again. Oh no! Oh no! I'm not gonna play it. Oh no! I see it coming. I saw it coming. Then we got home. We got to duplicate it. I deleted it. Right. Don't even know if you need that many. What do we have on original Liftsnetwork? We got home, discover. still got this nice glow effect. We also have search. We got my lifts. Account. And Discord and phone, but it's not important at the moment. No, I'm not gonna play it on the stream. I kind of regret that we got rid of a user thing up there. Is there something? Is there some way to add it back? Social, nope. Comment. Oh, it's just HTML comment. User. What is this called? Let's just open up a new SP admin. Moo. It's called Moo. What's this thing called up there? Nope. We just want to get rid of it and not Valerie Luna, but this thing. Can we move it into the other one? No, we can't. Ooh, just play it. Let me just quickly turn off desktop audio. Where's desktop audio? Turned off. Let me just play this. Oh, it's just a text to speech. I thought you would. You recorded my stream where I say pixels. That you would just do pixels, like a pixel sound effect out from my voice. That's what I thought you would do. Anyways, I guess we can just leave this thing away for normal users, because normal users won't even see this. I'm just going to say pixels from now on. Make sure I have DVR off. Now I just turned DVR off. No, please, copyright infringement. Let's add control. Let's add a button down here. Log off. That's what it does. Locks you off. Let's use yes, and let's just rename it to log out. I don't care really. Dark orange. Beautiful. Okay. We can actually change the text for once. Now let's save this and do a preview and see. But it doesn't work because of the thing, because of that logo. But we're gonna tackle the logo later on. Good. Now where's my dashboard thing gone? You know, I kind of feel that it's so much easier with Bootstrap than coding it with hand and Google, basically. Log out. Now what we need is account. How did the original account page look? LN login, LN account.html, and we had this beautiful profile. We had a follow button, we had a verification badge, we had a report and a edit button. And I guess we can just get rid of that one right here because we don't need it on those pages. You can go to the admin page then if you want to have an overview. Oh wait, Leon, is it possible for you to show this bar when a user is logged in as an admin or as a moderator? If you're a moderator, this bar shows up, but if you're not a moderator or an admin, it doesn't show up. Is it possible for you to do? Okay, now, how are we going to do this best? We need a container. It's a div, probably it's a div. I'm pretty certain it's a div. Controls, let's use a container. Form, social, miscellaneous, container. There's something to start those with. Tab. Transparent. Copy to untitled 1, I guess. Ooh, oh yes. Let's go for dark orange. And the other ones blue. Deep sky blue. Preview. Guess what? It doesn't do anything. Nope. No. That's not what you're trying to do. How can I delete this and just get the text? Probably it's that one. Let's try this. Have we lost the responsiveness? I'm trying to keep it. Is this the accounts page? It's going to be the accounts page, yes. There we go. Blue. Deep sky blue. And hover would still be crap looking. I still have a one, I guess. Let's do this and do that and see how it looks. Yeah, it's changing to blue. Should get a background though. What was that one again? Don't see the orange anywhere in here. Dark orange. The search is useless. Oh no, no, it's searching the styles, that's what it does. Guess I'm gonna leave it like this first of all. Now this page is increasingly getting smaller. Now on tab number 1 we got the overview, which shows the user and their work. Let's name it lifts they added, and let's name this one lifts they contributed to. Now if we have something like this, then we don't all have to jam it onto one page. It could look better that way. Am I now on this one? I don't even know. Am I on this one? I'm so clueless with everything, I guess. Let's get a picture in here. Where do we have a picture? Picture. Definitely not in here. What is a card? That's what it does, okay. But we don't want this. Not quite. Oh dear. Oh dear, happy pizza. I guess pizza's not going to be happy then when you drop your phone. What a stupid joke. Is that even considered as a joke? I don't even think so. How about using something like this for username? You could get like move this above this one. You could say percent username percent operator. Change the background of that one to have it this, get a margin from the top like 15 pixels. I said pixels. But that is the wrong margin. we need this margin. 15 pixels. Perfect. Now username has to be white. I love when you ask a German student, you can just write companies and they send you stuff for free. Never happened to me before. Need to admit. Color would be white. Text would be a bit larger. 30 pixels. And this one would be 20 pixels. And the icon would be replaced by a picture. That's where the picture would go. No, let's just delete this column. Yeah, I just need a placeholder. Well, it kind of happened to me with 3M. With those slap bracelets, you know, those slap bracelets that you like slap on your wrist and then they roll together. And it like sent me tons of post-its. I have so many post-its. That's incredible how many post-its and scotch tape. So much scotch tape. I don't even know how to send it to me. And then I realized how expensive these post-its actually are. I thought, my goodness, why would they send me something like this? Still have this giant box of post-its. I mean, I gave most of them away to my school, but I still got lots of them for myself, like a little post-it stash. Image. Right here. Nope. We need a margin for that one. Margin left. With arbors. Oh my god. Oh wow. That's extremely nice of him. Schmidt and Zorn's apples. Oh, that is very interesting. Margin left 10 pixels. Now let's give that something, so I can just test out this image. Import image and use True Serious. Just, I know you don't like this picture, but whatever. Oh, that's very interesting. That's one big ass picture. Let's do 50 pixels. No, maybe let's like 80 pixels times 80 pixels. Beautiful. Let's see how this looks. Ooh, that is starting to look good, isn't it? That's really starting to look very good. I mean, just look at this. Now, that's where the things will go, like followers will go here, lifts I contributed to, upvotes, all of that things will go right here. But in their freight lift on the campus was XN40. No, no, oh dear, they could have easily replaced that one with their own log. I knew this happens. I knew this happens. I just trashed the entire system. Probably just need to copy it into you. It's the card. Can I not pull it in here? Something. Like, how can I put this into the tab? Electromechanical ones, that's interesting. Okay, probably it's like the latest thing. Probably still the same issue. Yep, that is a problem. I don't know how to change this. Bootstrap. Add to tab. No. Margin top 50 pixels. Z card 150 pixels. Let's try it like this. Yep, that is the issue. Now, if I was to move this, now that's how you do it. Oh, that's it. That's nice that I have steak. But was it actually good? Was it actually good? Show this one. Now, how do I get this back? How do I get this back out of here? Probably, but no, I need the entire tab. Pulling this away. Right, now it's everywhere. Oh, that's very nice. How many people work at Arbus? Ooh, I didn't even realize that was possible. I should have not got rid of this entire thing. I don't know. How about deleting this one copying this one, naming show content for tab 2. Okay, this one will be renamed to overview again. Beautiful. Now let's get rid of this paragraph. Oops. Let's get rid of this big ass margin. 15 pixels. Give it another try. I just heard a very creepy sound, which kind of scared me. I don't even know where this came from. It just was a really weird clicking sound. And I'm home alone. So that's concerning. Let me just quickly check on it. Hello? Hello? No. I still don't know what it was. Maybe it's a ghost. Even though that would be quite concerning if we had ghosts. No, I just got rid of it altogether. No. No. Show on this one now. If we get rid of this one, why would we get rid of it on the overview page? That doesn't make sense. How about deleting it on this one? No, it's always gone. Why are they linked? Oh, come on, this pisses me off. Delete this one. Now we got overview done. Now if we probably the copy, because it's a copy, lifts say added. Now if it changes to lifts say added, lifts they added, it should work. Yes, that is the way it's supposed to work. Just look at how beautiful this looks. Now he got the username and all the overview. It's me, I'm behind you. Good thing there's no way of you to be behind me, because behind me there's nothing that would come behind me without me noticing. Because the only way of you to come behind me would be directly walk in front of me. So, because my chair is like right up to the wall, so there's no way anyone could be there. Phew. Okay. I still don't know what this clicking sound was, and I kind of want to find out, and I kind of don't at the same time. So, anyways, and a spooky ghost in the chat. Right, I'm just talking absolute bullshit. Let's get back to. Still because of that logo. Let's replace it with something smaller. Let's replace the logo. Image. Let's just use this one, not the large one, but rather a 10 pixel version. Maybe not that small. 50 pixels. Okay, that's just a test, Leon, for you. Yes, and so using Bootstrap, I also think that is doing the trick. I just look at how beautiful it starts to look. I'm so happy. Now if we shrink that down, that is I can't believe I just did it. It works finally. Right, let's make this, give it a bit of a margin. I'm also very satisfied that the viewers are consistent, and people are now watching 8 minutes. Usually it's usually the normal watch time is like 2 minutes, and now I caught a fly. I actually caught the fly in my. I just squished the fly in my hand. Disgusting. And first need to get like a tissue to get this off. It's disgusting. And now having this average watch time at about 8 minutes, that is amazing. I've never had such a high watch time. Let me just get the fly off my finger. I just want to. Does anyone want to lick it off? Yum yum yum. No. Let me just get it. And at the same time, I kind of don't understand why I'm wearing my headphones all the time, even though I don't have anything to listen to. So it's just probably a kind of a reflex. I always put them on, so let's just put them aside so I can listen to the ghost a bit better. Yum yum yum. I could send them over to you. No, it will be disgusting. Let's get this one done. Just turn your camera on spontaneously and film yourself. No, because my room looks like shit. Like changing to boots up, that will boost your viewers. It might actually do. It might really actually do. But at the same time, there's so much crap standing around behind me. I definitely need to clean up first. Just do it. Do it now. Lick it good. Lick this. Just like you should. No, I'm not doing it. Not until March of next year. Nope. Not happening till March next year. I mean, you know my face. I guess it's enough. And I don't want to torture anyone with it until next March. Right. Let's get the verified badge done. Well, you told me. You just told me you've seen it in a live stream where I accidentally had showed myself. Image. An image right here. And get it. The verified badge. Properties. Which kind of file? Type of file? It's a PNG. Jump back to that tab. They'll need to do some adjustments right here. Where's the margin? Where's my mouse jumping across? Margin top, margin bottom, 2 pixels. Far pixels. 5 pixels. 10 pixels. Beautiful. Margin left, 10 pixels. Maybe we should decrease the size a bit. 40 pixels. Oh. Guess let's just leave it like this. Save the entire thing. Watch it as a preview. Isn't that just gorgeous? But it's just gorgeous. Just look at this. We might want to shrink this down a bit. Let's just look at how responsive it is. There's so many open-movies. That's the smallest you can get. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Of course, run skyscraper sim and see your building. Let's go ahead.
And run skyscraper sim and see your building.
There we go. We dropped down to 3 viewers. Oh dear. Let's say added, let's say contributed to. Beautiful. Let's go back to the card. Give it a margin of 15. And give it a margin of 15 as well. Just so it is not that cramped. Who's slamming with their car door on the outside? Nice. Really nice. Now what we need is the comments. And all of those things that go in here, all the info. How did the info look again? I keep forgetting. We need a follow button. Coming right here. So let's get a button, a follow button. How about something like this? No, why does it keep jumping? Oh dear. Why does it keep jumping? Stop jumping, you stupid son of a biscuit. Why? It doesn't make sense. There's no sense behind it whatsoever. Is there some way I can change it in here? Probably not. No, there's no way to change it. Why does it keep jumping? There, what? No, you can't copyright flag them. You can flag them in some other way. But then you need to have a copy of your ID and stuff. But there is a way to do it. But not for copyright. Maybe let's just change it. Nope. No. I just did something horrible. Not that much. Why can't I change it in here? Oh, I need to change it somehow. And no, you cannot, because it's on the fair use. I guess I just got to go into another HTML editor, which would be obviously trusty brackets. Open bootstrap account. Oops, I just opened up the bdesign file. That looked very bizarre. Open assets. Bootstrap. Where's all of those HTML files gone? Don't even know where they're gone. I don't know. Probably you need to export them first. Oh no. Let's just delete this object. Delete this as well. Let's get a new split button. In hope that we can do it this time. That doesn't make sense. What? Someone tell me what I'm doing wrong. Why can't I edit anything on here? No, I need to delete those tabs. Delete. How can I delete? Delete. So now let's just go back to overview. So now we should be able to do it. Fuck my arse. How? This can't. No. No, I mean, honestly. Why can't I edit those? Let's see if I can edit that. I can't do anything anymore. What happened that it does that now? I just reload Bootstrap. God damn. Bootstrap can't edit. Motherfucking fly another one of those. On tab. Fly fuck off. What if I just get entirely rid of that tab? Show. And just get the entire thing. Move it out of there. Move it out of that tab. Now we should be able to edit it. Yes, we are now able to edit it. Finally. Freaking finally. What is that little... I just got a phone call. Yes, I have a phone call. So then, back I am. And my view count just dropped because of that phone call. That's ridiculous. No, it dropped to 1. Oh, come on! Are you kidding me? These are the right viewers I got here. So now we got this weird box down here. I probably can never get rid of. I actually got rid of it. I can't believe it. So let's get one of those buttons and try again, because it wouldn't budge on. Oh, we actually have a rounded button. We could have used that for verified. Beautiful. Now let's edit it to follow. What could we use as a follow picture? Maybe some arrow keys. We are in the Lift community. Nope. We are going to use. Is there something like follow? User plus, maybe. User plus. Is there something like user plus? There we go. Can we somehow select the entire thing? Margin left. Nope. Margin left would be 10 pixels. Maybe even more. Let's give it 30 pixels. Let's make it a bit smaller. Default. What button is that? eBay Kleinanzeiger. Never seen that one before, let me tell you that. Never ever seen this one before. Nope, never seen this one before. Nope. Yeah, I also thought about this, or maybe on the traffic light you sometimes get one of those, but definitely never seen them on a lift. Let's see how this looks on a preview. Preview is enabled. Saved open in browser. Kind of nice. Then what else do we want? We want a report button, and we want a button. Of course, we want a button. We don't want this like that, but we can't get rid of that motherfucker. I can flag, and then we can copy it to a pen. Okay, now we want to have this move up a bit. Margin right would be, oh well, oh my god, we are on one viewer. Oh dear, horrible, 50 pixels, 350 pixels, 450, 550, bit too much, 500, 525, good. Let's see how this does. Probably it's no longer responsive. Yep, kind of thought that would happen. We need those next to the follow button then, I guess. Right here and right here. Now we want to remove all of those. 0 pixels. And this one will get little nudge to the left. This one as well. Report, and the other one edit. And if you if it's your own picture, your own profile, then it would show a grayed out follow button. It would simply be grey, and on unfollow it would be a orange unfollow button. Right. Then what else do we need? Really starting to get tired. A grid maybe. Is something like a grid? There's a grid. A row. Right, give it a margin. Margin left, 50 pixels more. 300 pixels more. 500 pixels. It just trashed everything. Margin top, I guess I'm going to end the stream because no one's watching anymore. Minus 50 pixels. That's only always going down to one. Now let's see if that works out. Well, we can't tell where it is. So that is a row, and in this row we got a few features, which would be followers, points. Yeah, I'll do that. Ja, werde ich machen. Also ich kann es ja nicht durchdrehen, weil keiner zuschaut, außer du. Muss ich bloß gerade mal schauen, wie das geht. Mit dem Raum hier, dass ich das jetzt habe ich noch Columns. Die jetzt übereinander oder was? Kann man hier einfach eine Liste machen? Geht. Ich glaub's fast auch. Vor allem, es sieht auch viel besser aus, muss ich ganz ehrlich sagen. Jetzt zwar man noch nicht immer das macht, aber Table. Da haben wir es. Table. Ich glaube es mittlerweile fast auch. Margin right. 350 Pixel. Quatsch, Margin left brauche ich. 350 Pixel. Ach scheiße, die fallen da raus aus dem Ding. Ich weiß, ich finde halt immer nur komisch, wie wieder einer reingeht und dann direkt wieder rausgeht. Das finde ich jetzt so übelst komisch. Margin Top minus 50 Pixel. Minus 7,5. Minus 80. Kann ich auch machen, aber ich gehe jetzt sowieso eigentlich ins Bett. Ich bin nämlich müde. Ich werde sie dann auf Discord mit der Cloud schicken. Ich werde jetzt den Stream beenden.